Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing another collage page in my square watercolor journal. The journal is from Kunst Papier and I really enjoy this one for art journaling as it has a lot of pages and it's not so expensive, and that makes it less intimidating playing in this journal. I'm making the collage with handmade papers. I have already made some videos about this and I will link the latest up in the end cards. As a glue I'm using matte medium, and here I just add the medium to the backside of my paper. The paper I'm having here is a rice paper that was printed with the jelly plate. I will speed up this process a little bit as it takes a while gluing down all the paper pieces. I'm using a silicone tool from Catalyst to press the papers onto the surface, and this also removes the over amount of gel. Here I'm having some old book papers that I printed with either stamps or other household items. These leaves are from the brand new stamp set. I believe it's the Carved Collection number 4, but it also might be number 5. I don't have this in mind at the moment, but I will link it up in the video description. I let that dry completely, and here I am back, and I want to add some acrylic ink on top, and I believe it's turquoise if I'm not mistaken. I'm trying to work intuitive here with the ink. If I don't like something, I just use that baby wipe to remove it from my page. And I am going to use different brushes to get some variation with the brush strokes. I felt that the orange part of that kind of rainbow shape I cut out was too maybe muddy, and here I'm using the neon red to add it over the area. I really like how this pops against that blue color. Whenever I have leftover paint, I smear it onto a leftover piece of paper, and then I have a really pretty paper for another collage left. I let everything dry completely before I come in with the Posca paint pens. I'm just going to do some mark making. I really enjoy this part of the process. Just playing with crayons or markers, I feel that's a really relaxing part. I also speed this part up a little bit so it doesn't get too long. I'm using a thinner Posca paint pen to make some botanical leaf shapes. I want to add some more texture, so I'm coming in with the Neocolor crayons. I want that this orangey piece of paper can be found somewhere else on the page, so I decided to place a shape from that same paper at the top of my page, and here I just look for the right shape. I don't want it to be too big or too it shouldn't be the eye catcher. It should just be a little accent where the viewer finds this piece of paper again or this color. Finally, I decided to just use that small piece. I have already prepared my main image. I've stamped this leafy shape, which is also from the new stamps, to the jelly print that I've also used on the background, and then I cut it out. And here I'm going in with the white Posca paint pen to cover up that orangey part a little bit, so it gives me more contrast against that focal point. To finish the page up, I just adhered the leaf and I added a title. And of course, I almost always need some splatters, and I'm going to make some simple black splatters, just a few, with acrylic ink. And here you can see the finished spread. I hope you liked the video and you liked the page, and I hope we see us next time. Bye!